Good morning, dear students. Hope all are doing good. So we are just started to the form of the revision questions. So I'll start with the first question itself because only 5 questions we are discussed on Google Meet. So I'll start with the first question itself. Okay. So please verify whether you get the right answer or not. So first question, the ordinate of all points on the x-axis is. The answer you already know, we already discussed that question. So the ordinate of all the points on the x-axis, ordinate means y coordinate. Y coordinate of all the points on the x-axis is what? The answer is 0 is our answer. Okay, a point both of whose coordinates are negative will lie on. You already know in the quadrant, and we have already discussed about that. The third quadrant, that is both the coordinates will be negative on what, which quadrant? The third quadrant. Okay, we'll move to the next one. If y coordinate of a point is 0, then its point always lie. Y coordinate will be 0. Y coordinate 0 means that is an equation of the form what? X then comma 0 will be of the form, is it? And y coordinate is from this is of which axis? X axis or y axis? Is a point on x axis. So the answer is the first option. Okay, we'll move to the next one. The mirror image of a point 3 5 in x axis. In x axis means the x coordinate will be same always. Y coordinate sign will be changing. That is, if it is 3 5 and the mirror image in x axis is what? 3 minus 5 will be our answer. Okay, the next one, the perpendicular distance of 1 5 from the x axis. Okay, listen here. So while we are drawing the x and y axis, and suppose 1 5 is a point in the x axis, is it? So I'll mark this as 1, and from this only I mark one point here. So this is as 5. So this point is what? 1 5. Okay, this point I marked as 1 5. This point. Okay, we need what? The perpendicular distance from 1 5 from the x-axis, is it? From the x-axis means what? You have to find this much distance. So this much distance is what? 5 units, is it? So answer is what? 5 units. If it is from the perpendicular distance 1 5 from the y-axis is our question, then what is that? From the y-axis means you have to draw a line like this, and this distance will be our answer. So if it is from the y-axis the question, the answer will be what? 1 units. Okay, so hope you clear this much question. Then we will move to the next one. So the second question or the second set of question, the fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first question is what? The area of triangle OAB with OO AO3 and B minus 3 0 is. You have to find the area. I think you know how to find the answer, is it? Yes, so I'll just draw the figure. So this is our what, x-axis and y-axis, and the point we need the point. We have to plot the points here. So O means this origin itself, and A O 0 3 0 3 means what is a point on y-axis. So this point is 1, and this point is 2, and this point is 3. Okay, so 0 3 means what? The point here. The 0 3 means the point here. And next one, minus 1 0. Minus 1 0 is this point is minus 1, and this point is minus 2, and this point is minus 3. So this will be our next point. So you have to draw a triangle by connecting these three sides. So this will be our required triangle OAB. So this will be O, and this will be A, the point A, and this will be the point B. Okay, then what we need, find the area. Area of a triangle is what? You already know the formula for finding the area of a triangle. What is the area of triangle? Half BH is the formula for finding the area of triangle, is it? So that is equal to, what is half into, we need base and height, is it? So base, how will you find the base? Here it is 1, 2, 3 units. Sorry, here 2. Base it is 3 units. So into 3. And height also, please check how many units are there. Height also 1, 2, 3 units are there. So half into 3 will come. So that answer will be what? 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is what? 4.5. So 4.5 units square is our answer. Okay. So that how this way we are finding the area of triangle whose coordinates are given. Next, we will move to the next question. Next question is what the mirror image, is it? The mirror image of a point. The mirror image of a point 6 minus 5 on y-axis. That question you already know. If it is on y-axis, y-coordinate is what? Same itself. And only change in what? X-coordinate, is it? So here y-coordinate is minus 5. We have to write minus 5 here itself. And then we have to change the sign of the x-coordinate. That is minus 6. So answer will be minus 6 minus 5 is the answer. Here it is 4.5. Then the point of intersection of the coordinate axis is called. Point of intersection of coordinate axis means what? These two axes meet at a point here. So what is the name of this point? That is the origin. What is our answer? Our answer is origin. Origin. Then we'll move to the next question. Origin. The next question is what if a point is on x-axis, then its coordinate is, a point is on x-axis, x-axis means in this axis, then its coordinate. Coordinate means it is of the form what you already know. What is of the form? X comma 0, where x is any number and y coordinate is what? Always 0. Clear? Then we will move to the next question. The coordinate axis divide a plane into 4 parts. Each of the part is known as that. That is this one, this one, this one, this one. These 4 parts. Each one is called what? Quadrant. So our answer is what? Quadrant. Quadrant. Q-U-A-D-R-A-N-T. Quadrant. Okay. So hope you clear this next question. Then we will move to the next question. So hope all of you can see the figure. So the next question is minus 5, 3 is lies in which quadrant? Okay. So minus 5, 3. So this is our quadrant. We need what? Minus 5, 3. Minus 5, 3 means x is negative. So this axis will come. Is it? So which quadrant is this? The second quadrant. So our answer is what? Second quadrant. Then signs of abscissa and ordinate of a point in the second quadrant are respectively. Second quadrant means here is x is negative and y is positive. That is x is negative and y is positive. So our answer is C. Okay. Then the point 0 minus 5 lies. 0 minus 5 means what? X coordinate is 0. That is no x is there. So it is lies on where? It is lies on y axis. Okay. Then we will move to the next one. Abscissa of all points on the x-axis. Abscissa means what? X coordinate, is it? So we already know the point on the x-axis of the form what? X 0. This is the point on x-axis. All the points on x-axis. And abscissa means what? It is x coordinate. Here x coordinate is what? X. X means what? Any number we can choose. Okay. Then the ordinate of all points on the x-axis. This is the x-axis, the points on the x-axis. And ordinate means what? Second number. That is ordinates of all the points on the x-axis is what? Always 0. Okay. Then we will move to the next question. The point at which the ordinate axis meet is called, that you already know, is it? Already we have discussed, that is called origin. The point at which the two coordinates meet is called origin. So hope you clear these much things. Then we will move to the next question. So next question is, the point both of whose coordinate are negative will lie on. That is, both the coordinates are negative. That means here it will come, is it? So both the coordinates are negative means it comes on the third quadrant. The answer will be what? The answer will be third quadrant. Okay. Then the y coordinate of a point is 0. Y coordinate means what? Here it is y coordinate is 0. Then the point is always lie on. You already know, is it? If the y coordinate is 0 means this spot is 0. So that point will always lie on which axis? X axis. Okay. Then the points minus 5, 2 and 2 minus 5 lies in which quadrant we have to find? Here it is minus 5, 2. Minus 5 means what? X is negative. X is negative means they lies on which quadrant? Second quadrant. So go through the option. Which are the second quadrant? So B and C are the answers. But we know the second one also we have to find, is it? So 2 minus 5 comes on which axis? Which quadrant? So 2 minus 5 means what? Y is negative. Y is negative means lie on this one, is it? And X is positive means this one. So which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So our answer is what? Second quadrant and fourth quadrant is our answer. Okay. Then we will go to the next question. If the coordinates of 2 points are P minus 2, 3 and Q minus 3, 5, then abscissa of P minus abscissa of Q. Very important question. Most of the cases this type of questions will be asked for the exam. In the previous exam also we are discussing like this question. Okay, abscissa of P means what? The x coordinate of P. What is x coordinate of P? Answer is minus 2. So you have to write minus 2. Okay, then here sign is minus. So you have to put the minus here. The abscissa of Q. Abscissa of Q means what? X coordinate of Q, that is minus 3. So minus 3. So this minus 3 you have to put in the bracket. Why? Because it is a negative number. So you can write minus 2. Minus into minus becomes positive. So positive 3 will be equal to what? Minus 2 plus 3, that will be equal to what is our answer? 1. Sign is positive. So answer is B. Okay. Then we will move to the next question. The abscissa of all points is positive in. Abscissa of a point is positive in. Abscissa means x coordinate. X coordinate is positive means it lies on which quadrant? Please go to the x coordinate is positive means this one is positive, is it? That is either from the 1 or 1 and 4th quadrant. Answer will be the first and the 4th quadrant. Okay, the next question. The perpendicular distance of a point 3, 4 from the y axis. Okay, listen here. 3, 4 means what? Here it will be 3 and here it will be somewhat where it will be 4. Okay, the perpendicular question is what? The perpendicular distance from the y axis. Y axis means what? This much distance you have to find. This much distance is what? 3. So our answer is what? Answer is 3. Okay, so hope you clear this much question. Then we will move to the next question. Next question is very simple one. The points whose abscissa and ordinate have different sign. Different sign you already know, is it? Different sign means what? One is positive and one is negative. So either it comes on this quadrant, that is second quadrant, or it comes on fourth quadrant. So the answer is second and fourth. The answer is what? So either the second quadrant or the fourth quadrant is our answer. Then in the figure, coordinates of P are, P means this one. So you have to write the coordinate. Coordinate means from the x-axis you have to first write down. That is minus 2. Then and this much distance is what? Minus 2. Then 4. So the answer is what? Minus 2, 4 is our answer. Okay. So we'll move to the next question. Yes, in the figure, the point is identified by the Point is identified by the coordinates minus 5, 3. Minus 5, 3. Either let be this is the point R, L, this is the point R, and this is the point S, and this is the point T. But we have to identify the point minus 5, 3. Minus 5, 3 means minus 5 lies here. Either it may be S or L, is it? But it is 3 is positive. That means on this second quadrant. So the answer is what? L. So our answer is what? Our answer is L. So L is our answer. Okay, that means this point. This point is our answer. Then next question. The point whose coordinate is 4 and which lies on y-axis. Whenever the point lies on the y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. So you can choose either only one option from here whose x coordinate are 0, that is 0, 4. Y coordinate is 4 means y coordinate is 4. So the answer is 0, 4. Okay, then we will move to the next question. Which of the points P 0, 3, Q 1, 0, R 0, minus 1, S minus 5, 0, T 1, 2 do not lie on the x-axis? Do not lie on the x-axis means if a point lie on the x-axis, its what y coordinate is 0. That is the condition, is it? So but here only 2 points whose y-axis are 0. What are the points? Yes, it is Q and yes, these 2 points are lie on what? Lie on what? X-axis. Do not lie on the x-axis. What are the points here? P, then R and T. Is it? So the answer is P, R, T. That is the C is our answer. Okay. So we will move to the next set of questions. This is the last set of questions from this coordinate geometry section. So hope you understood this much. The point which lies on the y-axis at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction of y-axis is. Negative direction of y-axis means, listen here, here it is y-axis and here it is x-axis. Negative direction of y-axis means what? Y-axis negative direction means this portion. Okay, so the point on this line you have to find out. Since it is a point on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. X coordinate 0 ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ x coordinate 0 ഉള്ളത് ഈ ഒരു ഓപ്ഷൻ ഉണ്ട്, പിന്നെ c ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ. The negative direction means what? Y coordinate എന്തായിരിക്കും? നെഗറ്റീവ് വരത്തുള്ളൂ. So which will be our answer? 0 minus 5 is our answer. Okay, so we will move to the next one. The coordinates of a point whose abscissa is 4 less than thrice the ordinate y are. That means suppose you have to write x comma y is our coordinate. Okay, and x represents this x coordinate and y represents this y coordinate. Okay, and abscissa is what? X coordinate. So x coordinate will be, what is our x coordinate? According to our question, x coordinate will be 4 less than thrice the ordinate y. So thrice the ordinate y means what? 3y. Thrice the ordinate y means what? 3y. 4 less than means what? So 3y minus 4. That will be what? X. So you have to find the coordinates, is it? So instead of x you have to write 3y minus 4. So our answer is 3y minus 4 comma, and y coordinate you have to write like that. So y. So the answer is what? 3y minus 4 comma y. So the answer is first option. Okay. Then the next question. If the coordinates of 2 points capital A minus 5 minus 4 and capital B minus 8 minus 2, then ordinate of y, ordinate of A എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? That is y coordinate of A, that is minus 4. Then here sign is positive, is it? So you have to write plus here. Then abscissa of B. The abscissa of B means what? X coordinate of B, that is 8. So what is minus 4 plus 8 is equal to what? So different sign, you have to find the difference and put the sign of the greater. So 8 and 4 difference is 4. Greater sign is positive. So you can write as answer is plus 4. Okay. Then, if the coordinates of a point are minus pi 6, the perpendicular distance from the x-axis is. So, minus pi 6 is it? So, I put minus pi here, and 6 is positive number, so I'll write somewhat here. So, this point I'll mark as what? Minus pi 6. Okay, minus pi, then comma 6. Then listen here, the perpendicular distance from the x-axis. X-axis means what? This much distance. This much distance is what? How many units? 6 units. So our answer is 6 units. Okay. So next question. The ordinate of a point is negative in. Ordinate means what? Y coordinate. Y coordinate is negative in which axis? Y coordinate is negative means this one. Is it? That is third and fourth axis. So which are the axis? Third one and fourth quadrants, the y-axis will be negative. Then the coordinates of a point which lies on x and y-axis both are. The coordinate of a point which lies on x and y-axis, both are. So that means we have to find the coordinates. So just go through the options. What are the options that is given? The 0, minus 4, 4, 0, and then minus 4, 0, and the last one is 0. Sorry, the question is 23rd. Is it the coordinates of a point which lies on x and y-axis both are? So 0, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what is our answer? Answer is 0, 0. Why we are saying that 0, 0? Because it is lies on both x-axis and y-axis. When we are taking x-axis, the point 0, 0 is there. When we are taking y-axis, the point 0, 0 is there. So answer is 0, 0. Okay, this is another form of a question. The coordinate of the point of intersection of two axes that you already know. That is origin. Origin, the coordinates are about 0, 0. Okay, then the coordinates of a point whose ordinate is minus 4. Ordinate means what? Y-axis, is it? Y-coordinate. Y-coordinate is minus 4 and it lies on x-axis. Lies on y-axis. Lies on y-axis means what? X-coordinate is 0. So the answer will be what? 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 is what? A option. Okay. And we'll move to the last question. The coordinates of a point whose abscissa is 5. Abscissa 5 means what? X-coordinate is 5 and which lie on x-axis. X-axis means what? Y0. So our answer is what? 50. Okay. So hope you clear these 25 questions that we discussed today. And if there is any doubt question, you can ask me. You are free to ask to me. So please watch the next video also, that is based on linear equations in two variables. That also you have to watch. Okay. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.